So, good day everyone. My name is Alfred Janbel A. Balansag. So, in today's video, I will be explaining the two important ideas in information management while demonstrating them using my laptop. So, these are the RPO or Recovery Point Objective and RTO or also called Recovery Time Objective. So I will use the Google Drive as an example tool so you can clearly see how this concept works in real life backup situations. So as you guys can see from my screen, the Google Drive is open. So here, I showed the folders that are automatically backed up from my PC. So Google Drive saves my files online so I can recover them if something happens to my computer. So now, let us talk about the RPO while I show you this backup history. So RPO or Recovery Point Objective is the maximum amount of data we can afford to lose. So it is measured in time. So for example, Google Drive shows me here that my last backup was 15 minutes ago. So that means if my computer suddenly crashes now and this backup is from 15 minutes ago, so my RPO is 15 minutes because that is how much data I would lose. So for businesses like the banks or hospitals, losing even 1 minute of data is not acceptable because that is why they need backups that run almost non-stop. So when I point at the timestamp here, this 8:46 a.m., I am basically showing the RPO or the age of the last safe backup I did. So next is the RTO. So imagine my computer suddenly crashes right now. The RTO or the Recovery Time Objective is how long it should take to fully restore the system and return to normal operation. So I demonstrate it. So for example, here is my Google Drive. So I'm gonna be uploading this. I'm gonna be uploading this file so that I can recover it. So as you guys can see from the bottom right, this is my recovery time, for example. So if the company says that our RTO must be 2 hours, so then all of these steps like the downloading, just like I did, the restoring, reconfiguring, must be finished within 2 hours. So if I show the progress bar in Google Drive while the files restore, that represents the RTO or the Recovery Time Objective. So the time needed to bring the system back to normal. So on my screen, you can see both the backup timestamp and the restore progress. So this show the difference clearly. So the RPO is about how much data you lose because of how old the last backup is. And the RTO is about how fast you can recover everything after the system fails. So if the company use this to plan their backup strategy, recovery tools, and the budget required to protect their operations, shorter RPO and RTO require more advanced technologies and higher costs. So in short is that RPO is backup timestamp on how much data you can lose, and the RTO is the restore process or how fast you must recover the data from. So together, they ensure smooth business operations even if failures or disaster happens. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned from my video and goodbye.